This animated dog niche is going viral everywhere right now. No matter where you scroll, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you'll see this kind of video. And guess what? These aren't even fully animated videos. They're just lightly animated, yet they're pulling in millions of views every time. Amazing, right? But then there's that common question everyone asks: why isn't my channel growing? Why am I not getting views? And in the comments, some people write, I have no budget. What should I do? Listen, if that's you, don't worry. I've got your back. Even if you have zero budget, even if you're just starting out, I'm going to give you access to a free AI animation tool that requires no credits, no payment, no subscriptions, no limits. Yes, you heard that right. It's 1000% completely free. So why stress? I'm right here to help you. Just follow my step-by-step guide and get ready for the magic. Let's do this together. And then, boom! Welcome to the world of viral videos, my friend. Let's get started. Let's take a screenshot from anywhere on the channel, any animated shorts video you like. Then come straight into ChatGPT and simply type, I want to create this type of animated shorts video. Kindly give me the same character, but even cuter. Make sure 8 prompts are provided and the character should be more cute and consistent in all scenes. That's it. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with incredible prompts. Even better, more realistic and cuter characters than what you saw in the screenshot. And the best part? The character design is consistent across all 8 prompts, making your entire animated video look smooth and professional. No need for hours of writing, no need to think too hard, no advanced skills required. Just one screenshot, one message, and boom, you've got a full video prompt set ready to go. So easy, so fast, so powerful. Let AI do the heavy lifting and let your creativity go viral. You can also take advantage of Leonardo AI, one of the most powerful and user-friendly platforms for generating high-quality, realistic characters in stunning HD. Whether you're working on fantasy-themed scenes, animated shorts, custom thumbnails, or even storytelling visuals, Leonardo AI provides incredibly sharp and detailed images that truly stand out. You don't need to worry about low-res results or bland outputs. This platform delivers visually rich, professional-grade images that are perfect for content creators, animators, and digital artists alike. With just a few prompts, you can generate eye-catching characters, vivid backgrounds, and stylized scenes that are ready to be used in your videos, presentations, or social media content. It's an ideal tool for elevating your creative projects and giving them that polished, cinematic feel, all without needing advanced design skills. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even client work, Leonardo AI helps you bring your imagination to life with ease. Now go to Google and search for the website called Meta AI. Click on the first link that appears. That's the official website. Once you're on the site, simply log in using any Google account. Don't worry, there's no need for a credit card, no dollar payments, and absolutely no hidden fees. It's completely free. Once you're logged in, just click the plus, sign to start a new project, and upload the image you want to animate. Now move over to the prompt section. Here's the best part: no complicated prompt required. Just type something super simple like, please animate this pic. Then click on Generate, and within 20 seconds, boom! Your video is ready. And let me tell you, the result is insanely realistic. The face in the image starts moving in HD with smooth animations that look like a real video, even though it was just a static photo. Sure, you might notice a small watermark or logo, but don't stress. I'll show you how to remove it easily at the end. Because this tool is so free, you can go absolutely crazy with it. Not just 100 videos a day, not even 1,000. You could generate 10,000 videos in a single day if you want. There are no limits holding you back. I tested it myself, uploaded a photo, typed a super simple prompt like animate, clicked generate, and boom! It gave me a full, high-quality video with zero hassle. No need to waste time learning complex software. No need to copy big prompts from the internet. Just upload, type, click, and watch the magic happen. This is the kind of tool that levels the playing field. Even if you're a complete beginner or don't have any editing skills, you can now create content that looks like it was made by a professional studio. So don't wait. Jump in, try it out, and start creating content that actually goes viral. Because when the tools are free and the results are, the only thing left is for you to start. Now let's move over to Filmora, where we'll do a quick trick to clean up your video. Don't worry, I'm not teaching full video editing right now. Just the fastest and easiest way to remove the watermark from your animated clips. First, open Filmora and import or drag your generated video clips into the timeline. Once your video is placed on the track, click on it, then go to the scale option in the top menu. Slightly zoom in by increasing the scale just a little. That's all it takes. The watermark disappears instantly without affecting the quality of your video. Now that your video looks clean, why not make it even better? You can add smooth transitions between your clips by going to the Transitions section. Choose one you like, such as fade or dissolve, and drag it between two clips for a smooth and professional effect. This makes your video flow naturally and keeps the viewer engaged. You can also explore the Effects section. Here you'll find visual styles like blur, VHS, glitch, or cinematic filters that can completely change the feel of your video. Just drag the effect you want onto the clip and adjust the settings if needed. If you want to add text, go to the Titles tab. Select a text style, whether it's simple, modern, or animated, and write anything you want. This is great for adding intros, captions, or even callouts at the end. You can change the font, size, color, and move it anywhere on screen to match your video's style. When everything is ready, click on the Export button at the top right. Choose your resolution, like 1080p for high quality, select MP4 as the format, name your file and hit Export again. The video will render and be saved to your computer. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from a raw AI-generated clip to a polished, stylish video ready to post online. No complex software, no money spent, just smart editing using a free and beginner-friendly tool. Thanks a lot for watching. If this guide helped, stick around. More powerful, simple tutorials are coming soon to help you grow your content faster and smarter. Keep creating and keep going.